Good afternoon, it's Mark Larson giving you the COVID-19 update for Kittitas County. We have 0 new cases today, so that's 0 each day for the last 3 days and 1 the day before. So all of you are doing really a good job in regards to following phase 2 guidelines. And as we follow those phase 2 guidelines and our numbers stay low, we will put our application in to move into phase 3 on the 17th of June, which is the first day we could actually do that. As I've said before, the hospital's ready, the health department's ready, we have the things in place to do what we need to do, and so it's really dependent upon disease activity, and that depends upon you. So again, asking you to wear masks when you're closer than 6 feet from another person, either indoor or outdoor. That's people outside your family, obviously. And going to those businesses that should be open, spending money at those businesses, maintaining social distances. All businesses that are going to be open as of June 8th, those businesses are required to wear masks for their employees that are not working alone. So that's not my requirement, that's the governor's requirement. So if you go into a business, you don't feel safe, you should go to another business. So that would be my recommendation, and let's keep those numbers down so we can move into phase 3. We'll go to questions.
We have one question today. Can you please explain why the playground equipment is open and available for kids to play on at parks and schools? It seems that is a hot spot for the virus that never gets cleaned.
That's a great question, and I did call the city just before I called, before we did this video today. So playgrounds are not open. So if you go to the Alder Street Park, for example, that fence is closed, it's locked. The road going into Cary Lakes, that road is locked and closed, and that's because we're not supposed to be congregating with more than 5 people per week out of our household. So that's phase 2 requirements. As we move into phase 3, we're allowed to have 50 people or less, and I would expect that at that point the city will consider opening more facilities. But right now it's not legal to have those facilities open. They put signs up, they put tape up. A lot of people take the signs down, or the signs blow away, or the tape blows away, but those facilities are not open. The skate park's not open. The other thing that's not open is parks for recreational baseball leagues. They are not open in phase 2. So you shouldn't be seeing groups of people playing soccer, for example, unless that's the 5 people outside your family. That's a small group. So when we're in phase 2, those things are not allowed. When we're in phase 3, a lot of those things are going to be allowed. Phase 3 are 50 people or less, so we probably would be able to start having some recreational leagues in phase 3. But the governor's direction in regards to phase 3 requirements are supposed to be out today. So that'll be exciting for those businesses and those organizations that are going to be in phase 3. And otherwise, stay safe. We'll move forward here. Keep those numbers down so we can move forward into phase 3. Have a good day. Thanks.